Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to this in-depth comparison of three top-tier laptops, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X, the Dell XPS 14, and the Asus ZenBook Duo. In 2024, these laptops are vying for the title of the best all-around machine, each offering unique features and strengths. But which laptop is the best choice for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into each laptop's design, performance, display, battery life, and more. By carefully evaluating their advantages and disadvantages, we'll help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned until the end where we'll reveal our verdict on the clear winner. I've provided links to purchase your chosen laptop in the description below. Let's get started! The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is a remarkable addition to the world of laptops, offering a blend of performance, style, and innovation. With its sleek design, powerful Snapdragon X Elite processor, and impressive battery life, it's a compelling choice for those seeking a high-quality machine. It boasts a premium build quality with a slim and lightweight design. Its sleek lines and premium materials make it a standout in terms of aesthetics. The cosmic blue finish adds a touch of sophistication, though it may be prone to fingerprints. Powered by the Snapdragon X Elite processor, it delivers impressive performance for everyday tasks. It handles multitasking, web browsing, and productivity applications with ease. While it may not be the fastest option for demanding workloads like video editing or gaming, it excels in general use scenarios. The 14.5-inch 3K OLED touch-capable display is a highlight of the Yoga Slim 7X. The display offers vivid colors, deep blacks, and excellent viewing angles. The high resolution provides crisp and detailed visuals, making it ideal for content consumption and creative work. One of the most impressive aspects of the Yoga Slim 7X is its battery life. It can easily last a full day of moderate use, making it a great option for those who are always on the go. The long battery life combined with the lightweight design makes it a convenient companion for travel. It features a comfortable keyboard with a responsive feel. The keyboard has well-spaced keys and offers a comfortable typing experience. The trackpad is also smooth and accurate, making navigation easy. It offers several additional features, including a built-in fingerprint reader for convenient login, a privacy shutter for the webcam, and support for Windows Hello. These features enhance security and convenience. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is a well-rounded laptop that offers a great balance of performance, style, and battery life. Its powerful processor, stunning display, and comfortable keyboard make it a suitable choice for a wide range of users. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone who needs a reliable laptop for everyday tasks, the Yoga Slim 7X is worth considering. The Dell XPS 14 is a premium laptop that offers a compelling combination of performance, design, and features. With its powerful Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, stunning OLED display, and comfortable keyboard, it's a great choice for both work and play. The XPS 14 is equipped with a powerful Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, which provides ample performance for demanding tasks. It's a multitasking powerhouse for content creation and gaming. While it may not be the fastest option available, it delivers excellent performance for most users. It features a gorgeous 3.2K OLED display that offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent viewing angles. The high resolution provides crisp and detailed visuals, making it ideal for watching movies, playing games, and working on creative projects. It boasts a sleek and modern design with a premium build quality. The aluminum chassis is durable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The minimalist aesthetic adds to its overall appeal. It features a comfortable keyboard with well-spaced keys and a satisfying typing experience. The trackpad is also responsive and accurate, making navigation easy. While the XPS 14 doesn't offer the longest battery life compared to some of its competitors, it still provides decent endurance for everyday use. The XPS 14 offers excellent battery life, allowing you to use it for a full day without needing to recharge. It offers several additional features, including a built-in fingerprint reader for convenient login, a privacy shutter for the webcam, and support for Windows Hello. These features enhance security and convenience. It's a high-quality laptop that offers a great balance of performance, design, and features. Its powerful processor, stunning display, and comfortable keyboard make it a suitable choice for a wide range of users. While it may be on the pricier side, It's a solid investment for those who demand the best. The Asus ZenBook Duo is a groundbreaking laptop that introduces a dual-screen design, offering a unique and productive computing experience. With its innovative features, powerful performance, and stylish design, it's a compelling option for those seeking something different. Its dual-screen design is a major departure from traditional laptops. The second screen, located beneath the keyboard, can be raised to reveal a second 14-inch OLED display. This additional screen provides ample space for multitasking, allowing you to work on multiple tasks simultaneously. It's powered by a powerful Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, which delivers impressive performance for everyday tasks and demanding workloads. It handles multitasking, content creation, and gaming with ease, ensuring a smooth and efficient computing experience. Both screens on the ZenBook Duo are OLED displays, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent viewing angles. The high-resolution displays provide clear and detailed visuals, making them ideal for watching movies, playing games, and working on creative projects. The ZenBook Duo features a comfortable keyboard with well-spaced keys and a satisfying typing experience. The trackpad is also responsive and accurate, providing a smooth and intuitive navigation experience. It offers decent battery life, allowing you to use it for a full day of work or study without needing to recharge. While it may not have the longest battery life compared to some other laptops, it provides sufficient power for most users. It offers several additional features, including a built-in fingerprint reader for convenient login, a privacy shutter for the webcam, and support for Windows Hello. These features enhance security and convenience. The Asus ZenBook Duo is a unique and innovative laptop that offers a dual-screen computing experience. With its powerful performance, stunning displays, and comfortable keyboard, it's a compelling choice for those seeking something different. While it may not be for everyone, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a laptop that can enhance your productivity and workflow. After a thorough comparison, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X emerges as the clear winner among these three exceptional laptops. Its impressive battery life, powerful performance, and versatile design make it a compelling choice for users seeking a well-rounded machine. While the Dell XPS 14 offers a premium build and excellent display, the Yoga Slim 7X's overall value proposition and innovative features give it the edge. The Asus ZenBook Duo, with its dual-screen design, is a unique option for those who prioritize multitasking and productivity, but it may not be suitable for everyone. In the end, the ideal laptop for you will depend on your unique requirements and preferences.